Good evening to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex 100 Academy Private Limited. Today we have a couple of currencies to actually look into. I'll be doing a quick one. So if I'm saying too fast, you can always pause and rewind to see all my price action I'm looking at. The first currency I'm looking at today is New Zealand dollar. As we can all see, New Zealand dollar, it is a uptrend movement over here. Alright, so you can see it's an uptrend movement. Going on to 1 hour chart, it is still having an uptrend movement itself. Alright, we see there is a bit of break above, close above over here, but it's alright, it's to the upside. Yeah, over here I did a short because it's a double top, but it's against the current trend, so I didn't actually share with you guys. So the currency price I'm looking at to long is at 0.7274. That is the price I'm looking at. 7274 is my long price. This is the price I'm looking to long. My stop loss, initial stop loss is at 7216, which is this range over here. This is my stop loss, 42 pips stop loss. Once it hits 7293, which is this price over here, I'll be shifting my stop loss to entry price. That will allow me to have a risk-free trade for New Zealand dollar. Target 1 will be at 73.25. This price over here, the price that I've shorted for this double top formation. And my final take profit, that will bring me to 66 pips of profit, by the way. My final profit for this trade will be at 73.53. This range over here. That will bring me to 94 pips of profit, a good 2-1 ratio. So New Zealand dollar, I'm waiting to long at this price over here. Alright, so you don't get confused. This price over here. Alright, looking for a long. That is for New Zealand dollar. The currency we're looking at is Euro Yen. It's not the best setup for this. However, the market shouldn't break below this price. If not, it shouldn't break below 120.64. If it break below, then this trade won't be valid. Alright. So the currency pair I'm looking right now is Euro Yen. I'm looking for a short at 125 flat. A higher price over here. Let me just squeeze the chart a bit. Alright, this is the price I'm looking for short. Traders, if you're not comfortable, can choose not to trade this, but I just thought that the reward over risk ratio profile is very good, so I'm just sharing with you. Stop loss is at 125.40. Alright, so it's 40 pips of stop loss, way above over here. My target one is at 123.44. Yes, I did not make a mistake. Target one is at 123.44. This price over here, and that will bring me to 156 pips of profit. Not too bad. Alright, so target 2 will be at 122.47. This price over here. Alright, that will bring me to 293 pips of profit, and of course my final take profit level will be 121.36. That will bring me to 364 pips of profit. That is for Euro Yen. So by hitting my final take profit level, there will be a 900% of returns. It's very good reward over risk ratio profile, but the setup isn't the best setup of all. So we are looking at pound yen itself. Pound yen, as we can all see over here, is showing us a downtrend movement. Alright, a downtrend movement over here at pound yen. Heading to 1 hour chart. Downtrend movement, break below, close below over here. So we're looking for a short. The price I'm looking for a short is at 142.15. This price over here, I'm looking for a short. Alright, my initial stop loss will be at 142.93. It's a good 78 pips of stop loss, so traders beware. If you are not comfortable with huge stop loss, you may want to ignore this trade. But once again, because the reward over risk ratio profile is not too bad, I will be trading this at 141.38, which is this price range over here. Once the currency has dropped to 141.38, I'll shift my stop loss from 142.93 to a entry level pertaining a risk-free trade. My target one will be at 140.95. This price over here, that will bring me to a good 120 pips of profit. Target 2 will be 138.63. Slightly below this price. Maybe I'll shift out the 1 hour chart. Yep. Oops, so sorry about that. Alright, my target 2 will be at 138.63. This price over here, that will bring me to 352 pips of profit. 352 pips of profit. Yep, and final take profit level 137.74. This price range over here, that will bring me to 441 pips of profit. That is for pound yen. Big move. The next currency I'm looking at is dollar franc itself. You can see it's a downtrend movement. I'm not going to draw the channel for this. Very nice downtrend movement itself. Back to 1 hour chart, I'm waiting for it to have this formation over here. Look familiar to you guys? It is going to form a double top. Alright, so I'm waiting for it to hit this price over here. So I'm much more comfortable to trade this currency pair, dollar franc, because of the setup. Going to short dollar franc at 99.73. My stop loss will be at 1.0020. Stop loss is over here. Let me just help you guys a bit. Okay, you can see this is a downtrend. Alright, this is the 1 hour chart itself. Waiting for it to come back to retest this price over here. Looking for a short. As mentioned, stop loss 1.0020. That will bring you to 47 pips of stop loss. Target 1 is at 99.12. 99.12 is over here. This price, previous support. Okay, so that will bring me to 61 pips of profit. Target 2 will be at 98.81. This price over here, that will bring me to 92 pips of profit. At this point of time is close to 2:1 reward over risk ratio profile, and my final take profit level will be at 98.50. Alright, this price over here. Okay, that will bring me to 123 pips of profit for dollar franc. For dollar Canadian, I am also looking for a shorting opportunity over here. As you can see, it has break below and close below over here, came back up, retest, came back down. When we go to 1 hour chart, I am looking to short at 1.3127. Which is this price over here, looking for a short. Alright. all the way up at this price. Okay. My initial stop loss for dollar Canadian will be at 1.3147, which is a 20 pips of stop loss. Very tight stop loss for this. Target 1.3070. This price range over here, that will bring me to 54 pips of profit. That will bring me a 2/1 reward over risk ratio profile. Not too bad for a trade. Target 2 will be at 1.3 flat. This price over here, that will bring me to 127 pips of profit. And of course, my final take profit level will be break of 1.3. Final take profit level 1.2854. There will be 272 pips of profit. Alright, that is for dollar Canadian. Pound dollar itself, I'm looking for a long opportunity. As we can see, the currency actually came down at this price. I'm waiting it to retest 1.2537. Okay, we'll be using this to 1.2537. Okay, they're about this price. Alright, but I'm not going to do anything yet. I'll wait for it to come back down to retest the previous low over here. And guess what I'll be doing? I'll be looking for a long opportunity. Alright, I'll be looking for a long opportunity over here. My target 1, or rather my initial stop loss, is at 1.2390. This price range over here, that will bring me to 43 pips of stop loss. Target 1 will be at 1.2537, which is the price I'm looking for a retest. And final take profit level will be at 1.26 flat, somewhere over here. Not bad. That will bring me to 167 pips of profit. Once it hit target 1, it bring me to 104 pips of profit. Not too bad for this trade as well. But do remember, I have to wait for the currency pair to hit, or rather this particular currency to hit 1.2537, retest back down before I look for a long. That is for pound dollar. There is a sign of weakness over here. See the market is going lower when we go 1 hour chart itself. You can see that it start to close lower. Right over here. Okay, so in fact I'm waiting for it to hit 1.0802. Waiting for it to break above at this price. My stop loss will be higher than the previous high over here. I'm placing my stop loss at 1.0849. There will be an initial of 49 pips of stop loss. My target 1 will be at 1.0766. As this price over here, okay, I'll be shorting here. Once it hit 1.0766, I'll shifting my stop loss to entry, followed by target 2 looking at 1.0744. This price over here, that will bring me to 56 pips of profit. And final take profit level 1.0708. I won't be investing too much on this because the reward over risk ratio profile is not that good. Final take profit level will bring me to 92 pips of profit. I'm going to share today. There will be 3 more currency pairs I'll be sharing later part tonight. So for subscriber, if you have been watching this and you receive these only after the market has triggered, you are not, reason being it could highly possible because you are not our subscriber yet. So do subscribe to us. The first month is only $10, subsequent months is $100. My name is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. Thank you for watching. Have a great trading year ahead. Goodbye for now.